Okay, I want to do another vlog. I really want to do vlogs, but I mean, I really can't think of too many things to talk about. But I hit upon an idea today, and I figure, I've got all this small collection of gadgets and electronics and whatnot. I figure I should probably at least, let all of you see what it is I have. Again, for all of you out there on the net, I am doing good. For some of you who may know about things that have been going on upstairs above me the past couple of weeks, however, I assure you that I am still all here up here and am playing with a full deck of cards. So without further ado, I'd like to show all of you what it is that I have as far as vintage electronics, you might say. First things first, this is my VCR. It's a Panasonic TV4651 Omnivision VHS. This lovely machine was made back in 1996. It's 12 years old now, almost 12 years old. Got it when I was in high school. It's been a real trooper. Recorded lots and lots and lots of stuff with it. The machine that I have below it is a Samsung Digital System Conversion VCR. It's one of those VCRs where you can convert video formats from one standard to another via the onboard converter that's built in, digital converter. This thing is, I'm going to say it's about 10 years old. It still works, but it's got issues with tape loading. It likes to eat tapes. And so I'm thinking that there might be bad caps or something in here. And so I really don't use it to play tapes anymore. It's just there to act as a bridge between my stereo system, which I'll get to in a second here, my computer, and my VCR, and my TV. And down here, this is the oldest piece of gear that I still use regularly. This is my JVC. I really don't know how well you can see it. It's an RX707V integrated stereo receiver. This thing was made back in 1991, so it's now 17. Well, it's going on 17 years old. It'll be 17 years old this fall. It has the old Dolby Pro Logic analog surround sound, and I can actually turn it on and go through the modes. And when I get to the right now it's in Stadium, and if I get to Pro Logic, that light will light up. If I push it, it'll go to 3-channel Logic. I've never had surround sound hooked up. Turn it off. Turn the surround sound back off. It has a C graphic equalizer. This is a very fascinating thing because it does exactly what it says, what it's called, a C equalizer. You've got your frequency spectrum going across the bottom here, and when you talk, it separates the frequencies based on levels, and then it rides up and down on the height there. That's why it's called the C. I know it looks kind of boring talking like this and just watching it bounce up and down. You can see the frequency deviations that it has: 63 Hz, 160, 400, 1000, 2500, 6300, and 16000. I'll put it on FM and I'll give you some music here, and you can see it move.
State Farm is there.
Discounts may vary 5 to 40% state to state.
Sparky and I are here. Do we mind?
I think that should be enough. I don't know what it was playing. I've got speakers muted here so that I don't get feedback into anything. And these are my speakers. These are genuine Radio Shack Tandy Nova 8 speakers, circa 1975. I'll zoom in on the old Radio Shack logo there on the bottom. These speakers are 32 years old. They're in perfect shape yet still. I check them every now and then, and the drivers are still in good shape. There's no dry rot or anything going on with them. These things have a lifetime driver guarantee to them. If anything ever goes wrong with them, that's not a result of me trying to blow them out on purpose. Radio Shack will fix it.